Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be trying the nail aid that I showed you guys in my small Amazon haul. The nail aid 1 minute artificial nails. It's the acrylic power iron formula. It says ends chipping and cracking, and it's supposed to instantly hard like acrylic nails with a high shine with a 2-week wear. So, ooh, Lord. So I want to give this a try and see if it'll really work. The only thing is I wish I could put on a base first. Like I would like to put on, sorry about the shakiness. I have y'all on a different tripod, which is, I'm sorry you have to see this in the background. I haven't figured out how to get that out the way yet. So it's a little shaky, but the only thing I wish I could do is put on the nail aid keratin under this because it helps my nails grow. Now, you guys, if you guys are keeping up with my videos, I did try to do the builder gel in a bottle over my nails, and it did help my nails grow. I did it over these natural little shorties of mine. It did help them grow, but I just took it off 2-3 days ago, and they have been chipping and splitting like crazy. Like, look how short this one is. It's just completely gone. This one just keeps breaking and breaking and breaking, but I had some length and boom, it just, they all broke. So I want to see if this really helps and really works on getting them hard. The only thing is I wish I had some length on my nails. So what I should have did was used my keratin for the 3 days that helps it grow, let it get a little length to it, maybe use it for like a week or two, and then try this. But I'm just really want to give this a try and see if it gets hard, like it says it does, because like I'm super curious. I don't want to wait too much longer to try it because I want to know if this stuff really works. This is what it looks like in the bottle. And it says apply 2 coats over dry clean nails. Apply as a base coat and a top coat. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now. I don't never open this up because I feel like it's so tall. I wonder, will this fit in here? It should, because I get square polishes fit in my Twixie pretty good. So, oh my gosh, y'all, did y'all see that? Good save. Yeah, fits fine. I think this is still too high, but we're gonna try it for a minute. I don't think I can last doing it though. So I'm gonna do the coats really thin, and then I'm gonna go over it with polish. Yeah, I think this is too close. Can't do it. All right. That's better. Then I have a split on this one. I don't know if you guys can see right here. And I filed over it and filed over it. I buffed over it. And it just keeps splitting. So this says it's supposed to help with that. We shall see. All right, you guys, coat number 1. It's dry over here already. All right, gonna go ahead and do coat number 2. Switch this back to the other side. Y'all, this this is kind of strong. It's actually burning my eyes a little bit. It doesn't, I mean, I guess that's expected because it says acrylic power iron formula. So I'm assuming it has some type of acrylic in it. I'm not sure. But it doesn't really remind me of that smell, but it's strong though. It is strong. I'm trying to do the second coat a little thicker, just to make sure I have enough on there. Okay, both coats are on. While that's drying, I want to share with you guys the polishes that I picked up at CVS, because I realized I don't think I showed you guys yet. So I ended up picking up the paparazzi was buy one get one 50% off, and then I just picked up, this is the one I was talking about in the video, that I picked up the wrong one. I meant to get a different color, and I didn't have a chance to go back to go exchange, so I'm just gonna keep it. I actually kind of do like it. This is the LA Colors Color Craze Gel Extreme Shine, and it's called Horizons. It's a really pretty, like, orange color. So I do like it. I think this would be really cute on toes too, for a pedicure, summertime. And then the paparazzi, like I said, was buy one get one 50% off. Now I had a 40% off coupon, which is what I was going to use when I picked these up. So the first one I had picked up was this paparazzi. I thought was absolutely beautiful with that sparkle in it. So I went to the cash register with just these two, and when I seen it was buy one get one 50% off, which I did know, but I had forgot, I ran back and picked this one up. And I ended up getting all three of these for like $1.42, I think, with my coupons and the sale and a couple of like extra buck money I had. Came to $1.42. These were two for $5, and these are like $3 or somewhere around there. Okay, so anyways, this is the first one I picked up. It's called Watermelon Pop. I'm just now reading the name of this one too. I did not know that was the name of this. Watermelon Pop, and it's just a really pretty pink with some really pretty shimmer in it. So pretty. Look at that. And then I picked up this one. It's called Wave Rider. I don't know if that's showing. And it's like a purplish, bluish or something. I don't know. It's very unique, and it's nice and bright. I think I may use this one, y'all. I want to see how this looks. So I'm going to use this, polish my nails with it. Now let's see. I want to make sure that this dries though. See how this turns out. It's actually pretty much dry. And it's just hard to tell because my nails, I have none. I'm gonna have to test it out on someone with some, you know, a little bit of longer nails, because I can't really tell. I mean, I could tell it is hard when I'm pushing it. Oh yeah, it is right here. It's nice and hard. I mean, I can push it, but I can tell the difference because, like I say, my nails are super thin. So it is hard, but I just want to know on a longer nail, you know, how hard does it get? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Wave Rider. Put some color on my nails because I haven't had any on them for the past few days. If you guys watched my previous video where I was doing my niece's nails, she was like, your nails doesn't have any glitter on it. I was like, I know, I took it out to do a video and I haven't did them yet. That was so cute. If you guys have not watched that video, I will leave a link below so you guys can check that out after you watch this one, because it was super cute. Let me see if I need to shake this up more or what, because this is thin. I mean, I know I'm going to have to do a few coats, but it's really thin. I'm all done putting the polish on my nails. It looks really bad right now because I hate how dry they look when I am cleaning up around the edges with that acetone. It makes them so dry. I am going to put cuticle oil on them when I'm completely done. I still need to put on my quick dry Seche Vite. I was thinking, you guys know I always got to do something else. I usually don't do all the nails the same color. I just went ahead and did it. But thinking of going over a nail with either this or doing some, I always do dots because it's just easy and quick. It's late here where I am, so it's not actually early. So when I want to do something quick to just finish, that's why I always do a dot of care, because I have plenty of other things I can use, but that's just the quickest thing I could think of. Or let's see, these are kind of big. I got a star and a circle. I think those I had bought for my little niece, and she just wanted that glitter on top of them, so we didn't have the stickers on them. But I thought I had some other ones that I could use. I'm gonna go ahead and just do I'm gonna do it over the pointer. I love the color. It's really rich and bright, and that's what I like about that. It's so bright. The formula is a little bit crazy. It was starting to dry kind of fast while I was applying it. Not super fast, but like just with it being like so like thin and watery, it started to thicken up and get better as I used it, to the point where I had to wipe a lot off of the brush. But definitely is a 2-coater, maybe even a 3, because there's like some spots I can't tell right now, but I know when I'm editing I'll be able to see it. Y'all could probably see it, but there's like some like spots that didn't get a full coverage, you know. Other than that, I really like the color. Oops, dang, y'all. I went over the wrong nail. Oh well, it's okay. I'm not gonna wear this long. I think I'm just gonna wear this for a couple days and take it off, and then I think I'm gonna do some nail extensions, so that's okay. All right, so just 2 nails. I'm gonna go over it with my Seche Vite so I can hurry up and put some cuticle oil on. I almost started to, oh my gosh, y'all, just messed it up. No, I just crashed it into my container. What I was gonna say was, I was thinking about doing a dot of cure with that orange color, because I don't know, I was looking at it and I was like, oh my god, y'all. Okay, see what I mean by it's late here? It's time for me to get into bed. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. Lord Jesus. Okay. I'll let that Ow, I had to put my finger down so it won't keep hitting it, but I was thinking that that's kind of cute together. Kind of like that. Yeah, that kind of matches pretty. It's different, you know, it reminds me of like a 90s vibe. Let me fix this. Jeez, man. I always do that. I'm so clumsy, y'all. Don't make no sense. No sense at all. I love this color. Alright, let me hurry up and get this SUV on, honey, so I won't mess up no more. Keep forgetting about my little new tool there. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you guys with watching me put the SUV on. As soon as I'm done, I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done. I went ahead and took you guys down off of my tripod just because I couldn't see way up there. I wanted to actually see how they looked in the camera. This one looks so bad because of the way it broke. It looks like a ski slope, like feral. But the color turned out good. I love the glitter, the same glitter I gave my little niece. So that looks good, even though I did the wrong finger over here, but it still looks cute. Yeah, so that's the finished result. I just went over it with my Nailtique Renew cuticle oil. I'm not pointing at it. That's right here. So I guess I'll have to update you guys more about this 1 Minute Artificials nail aid. Hopefully I can maybe get it on someone that has some longer nails so we can really see the difference of it becoming hard or not. So with my nails being so unbelievably short, I can't really tell. Yeah. But we'll come back to that. So yeah, that's it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you guys can watch more videos. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I do upload a new video. And yeah, you guys, that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.